From handsets to headsets, Vodafone Business makes unified communication simple and seamless with the latest Poly devices ready to work right out of the box. We'll walk you through installing your Poly wall mount bracket for both Poly Edge and Poly CCX phones. It takes just a few minutes with the right tools. First, make sure you have the correct bracket for your phone model. 6 brackets, each made for a specific Poly model. For Poly Edge phones, you have the E100 or 200, E320 or 350, and E500 wall mounts. For Poly CCX phones, there are dedicated brackets for the CCX 400, CCX 505, and CCX 600. Check the outside of your bracket packaging to confirm it matches your device. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need. In the box, you'll find the wall mount bracket along with screws and wall anchors. You'll need to provide a screwdriver, a drill with the appropriate bit, a spirit level, a pencil, and of course, your Poly phone. Now, let's walk through the 5 steps to securely mount your phone. Step 1. Mark the wall. Hold the bracket in position on the wall. Use a spirit level to make sure it's level. Then, mark the screw holes with a pencil. Step 2. Drill the holes. Drill at the marked positions and insert the wall anchors. Choose the right anchors for your wall type. Check the on-screen guide. And before you drill, always check for hidden cables or pipes. Step 3. Fix the bracket. Secure the bracket to the wall with the screws. Tighten firmly and check it's still level. Step 4. Route your cables. Connect your Ethernet and power cables, routing them neatly behind the phone for a clear finish. Step 5. Mount your phone. Align the phone with the bracket tabs or slots and slide it into position until you hear a click. Your phone is now securely mounted. Before you walk away, take a moment to check everything is secure and working. Gently try to move the phone. It shouldn't shift or rock. If it does, remove the phone and re-tighten the bracket screws. Plug the Ethernet cable into the LAN port. With PoE, the phone will power on automatically. Otherwise, connect the AC adapter. The phone should power on and display the boot screen. Refer to the setup guide for your model to complete software configuration. It's as quick and simple as that. Your Poly phone is now installed securely and ready to use. Scan the QR code or visit ukbusiness.vodafone.com/ucdevices for device-specific manuals and startup videos.